Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Edition of Draw Every Day with JJK. I'm JJK, which is short for Jarrett J. Krosoczka. And today we are drawing in nature again. Now remember, you don't need a special drafting table to draw in nature. This is just a ridiculous YouTube stunt. But I brought my drafting table out to the woods behind my house just to reconnect and chill for a moment. You know, my job is to draw pictures for a living. And because it's my job, I sometimes forget the fact that I need to draw just for fun, that I need to draw just to chill out. I need to draw just to calm down. And so we're drawn in nature. You can perhaps grab some nature from the outdoors and bring it into your house. You could also check out some great nature specials on all of the streaming services if you're not able to get out to nature yourself. So I'm just going to take out some art supplies. I'm just going to draw what I see around me. And the sun is coming out. So Karen Dash, there are these wax oil, kind of like pastels, but not really, because they're oily and waxy. They're like fancy art school crayons. And I'm just gonna take a look around me and see if I can't find something that inspires my imagination. And I'll just draw from nature for a little bit. So I see a tree next to a fallen tree and some moss. I'm going to draw that. And again, I am wanting to spend as much time looking at my subject as I am the paper. If I spend too much time looking at the paper, I'm not going to have a true observational sketch, because then what I'm drawing is my memory of the object, not my observation of the artwork. There's this big, strong tree. And it's just next to a tree that's falling and decaying. But with so much moss at the bottom of this tree that's standing up, and the lack of greenery up there, I wouldn't be surprised if this tree is gonna come down sometime soon too. Now this other green that I chose here is a yellowish green. Because that green has some yellow in it, remember yellow is a warm color, so warm colors will come forward in space, and then cold colors will recede, they'll go back in space. So I'm going to add some greenish yellow to this big tree here. I'm going to add some yellowish green to this fallen tree here to help them come forward in space. I will choose a colder color to lay out on the background. That purple, remember purple is a cold color. It's going to push that space behind these trees back some. There we go. That was a fun little study of drawing from life and nature. Well, let's take a moment to check in with those pugs for a little pug cam. All right, well now I'm gonna bring one of my kids onto the show, and we're going to have a little all right, well, welcome back, Zoe, to our spectacular outdoor draw every day with JJK.
It smells nice out here.
It does smell nice out here. And so today's family project is we are going to run around here. We're going to find sticks and maybe some acorns. So we're like the nature itself will be the medium, and then we will tape them together and make some kind of cool picture.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can find. All right.
I get the chair.
You get the chair. All right, so let's see. We've got some bark. What else did we find?
We got an acorn cap. We were trying to find more, but we couldn't find. We got. I don't know what these are. They're cool though. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. Let's see.
We got some brown leaves.
Some pine cones, some big leaves. Okay, so.
Oh, this. Did we even need to get this, or did this just?
That might have just blown here. So, here I'll be the tape dispenser. So you will be the artiste, and we'll tape some pieces together.
Oh, wait.
So what do you see? What do you see? We also have lots of leaves right here too, and we have some moss.
Ooh.
Oh, that would be cool.
Wait. Ready? So what if we had this as a hat, right?
Okay.
She had like a little lady who had a little hat, right? And then this is the rest of her hair, right? And then she has these two eyes.
Nice. Here.
And,
We're gonna tape it down. We can tape it down. It's windy out here.
And then we'd use this for a smile.
Nice.
It's very windy out here, apparently.
What's that? Is that going to be the nose?
This is going to be the mouth.
The mouth. Okay, let's see. Let's see if that'll stick there. Oh.
She should have a nose. Oh, this could be her nose.
Oh, how cute. Here, do you want to draw any line work?
Could you tape this down?
I'll tape that down, yes. Let me get that
Big
nose.
fancy eyelashes. She's fancy.
There we go.
She's gonna have some lipstick.
I love it. Oop. Nice.
I like this
Here,
girl.
let's give her some earrings.
Yeah!
Oh,
And I'll
some
draw
earrings.
the little bells once you, the little ball thing. Wait.
ooh. Oh, you know what? Maybe that could be the top of the hat. Like
Oh, yeah.
There we go. I love it.
Could you tape that out?
Oh, I think I don't think
Okay.
it'll blow away. Here, you want to draw little pupils?
It's hard to draw in nature.
I love it. It's wonderful.
Yay!
Excellent work, kiddo. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching another episode of Draw Every Day with JJK. Grown-ups, make sure you check out studiojjk.com where you can find out where you can submit your kids' art. Have so much fun with nature. Check out the wonderful artwork that came in since yesterday. See you soon.
Bye!
Please click like and subscribe and keep drawing. See you soon.